Hello viewers, we are Team 5 from CS308 Lab, CS308 Lab, IIT Mandi. We are a group of 5 people, myself, Akash Maurya, and then we have Zaidan Bhatt here, we have Chandan Prakash here, we have Mohit Kumar and Kalyani Kumari here. We all are CSE undergrad. We are in third year and we have made a project which basically is made for our C4 FDED lab, and it works, and the functioning of it is it provides slot booking feature to the lab where a user can book slots for equipments that he wants to use, and the admin will approve his request depending on the situation. And there are more technicalities to it, so let's hop over it. I am visiting my GitHub page where GitHub page of our group where we made this thing. So we are currently on our wiki page. As you can see, we welcome you to the project, and then we have our requirements page, the design page, and the FAQs page. So let's start from our design page. So basically, this is our first version that we are shooting here, and we have our introduction. We have detailed design, algorithms, external data, performances, and test scripts. So the introduction, you can find all the code in the description box, and you can visit it in your convenience. I'm going to skip over some topics, and basically, as I told you that the app is meant for the admin, and it can reject or approve the request from users that they ask for booking slots for certain equipments that in this slot I want to use, and in the further slot somebody else wants to use it. So basically, this is a LAMP stack based website where we have used the XAMPP, and this is where you can get XAMPP, and we have used the PHP. And then what else we have in the design section? We have the entity relationship diagram here, and we are specifying the components we have, that are the user and the admin, as I told. And then we have the customer interface, that is the user interface, and then the admin interface. And let's hop over to the FAQ section, or we have currently merged it with the requirement section, but it is the section where we tell you that what our app is meant to do. For example, see here. Let's start from the user. A user can book equipment for a period of time. A user can log in into his account. User can make an account, and these are all the entities, all the attributes that user will fill. And then user can see his previous booking, and the list goes on and on. User can ask for his bill invoices, and user may share his experiments and results that he got, the publications that he achieved, so that the admin has a track that what what good their equipments performed. And then the administrator can basically reject or approve the booking, or reject the booking is not basically simply that the admin will say that we are not providing a slot. The admin will the person a slot which is the nearest slot to his preferred time, and this is how the slot booking process works. This is a manual process, and the admin will do it manually, but we will provide him with a good interface that he can see what to do and what not to do. And the admin can generate revenue. Generate revenue means that he can see how much did he earn by lending the equipment, because lending each equipment costs a certain amount of money, and this is how it works. Then there are optional things like the admin and user can chat in the remarks section. We will have a remarks section for each slot booking, and the user and admin can chat there. If we give a user a slot and the user is unhappy, user can ask for a different slot, or user can ask by preponing or postponing a slot. Whatever happens, they can chat there and get to work get to a consensus. Then moving on to the code part, let me show you the website that we made. Basically, this website currently has does not has very good looks and stuff like that, but it is basically like a template, and we will keep on adding stuff here. The website that you are able to see currently is our home page. As you can see, we have hosted it on the local host. This is basically done using XAMPP, and the whole code is PHP code and HTML, CSS, etc. So let me show you the list of items. This is the list of items that our app will be booking slots for. Say for we have a HE ion microscope, which is an equipment, and we have rates. That is, the rate for it is 2,000 rupees per hour, and the student will big the student will book a slot for it. He will request a slot. So if I'm a student or if I'm a user, if user is logged into the home page, the notifications about his request, uh, the notification about his pending request will appear here. That if I send an request for slot booking, is it approved or is it scheduled or whatever is happening? This is the page where he will see it. If the admin is logged in here, the admin will see what are the pending approval requests, that the requests which are seeking approvals. And if no one is logged in here, we can redirect them to the login or sign up page. We can see the my order history. So my order history will show you the list of equipments purchased here, and then we have my profile, which will show you the name, user ID, booking history, etc. And then we have the achievement history, where we can show the publications or any other achievement that the user got using the equipments of the lab. Or the admin can individually search for what are the cumulative achievements that all the users using the equipments for a certain time period achieved. Then this is the book slot feature, where we will put the database and everything like that, a link it in a such a way that the user can request for booking slots here and the admin can approve for booking slots here. Then this is the about page. So we will this is basically the simplest about page that we could make. And then we have our contact us page. You can contact the makers of the web app here for feedback and stuff like that. And these are the sign up pages. That this was the user sign up page. Then this is the admin sign up page. See, you have to put your full name, username, email ID, contact address, and password. And once you are signed up, you can easily log in. So you can log in here. You have your username and password, enter them and log in as a user or as an admin. So basically this was our app in a nutshell. And this is the release 1. And in release 1 we have focused mainly on building a template kind of structure, a well documented structure where we can keep on adding things, and we can incrementally build our app using the GitHub. Thank you. So please stop the recording here.